Hi, this is Seaton from wildrose911.com. We're working on a Ford F-150 pickup truck. Had a little bit of noise in the rear end, wasn't sounding too bad. It was making a wah 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 sort of noise. So we pulled the axles, and here's what we found. The hardening had gone through on the axles around 200,000 miles. And the bearing surface had become rough, which is what was making the noise. So if you've got a truck 150, 200,000 miles, and you've got like a wah 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 noise coming from your rear, that's probably what's going on there. Probably you need new axle bearings and axles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd be happy to help you out and keep you abreast of what's going on out there in the industry. And wildrose911.com, always happy to help and to educate people out there. So that's what a bad axle looks like. That bearing surface is getting torn up, making a unusual noise in the rear. So we're going to replace the axles and bearings. Here's the pickup truck that it came out of. Just good solid maintenance. The owner of the truck realized it was a little noisier than what it used to be, so we're taking care of business for him. Have a good one.